To create sessions and charge people for sessions by using their credit card or their bank account information, we will click on the new membership and plans button and scroll down to our custom membership, for sessions. So it could be for a single session or it could be for multiple sessions. So let's say if a person has bought 10 pack, 10 sessions, and they want to pay you X amount of dollars for these 10 sessions. So again, we're going to choose how they want to pay you. Either they can pay by credit card or bank account. Again, we're going to use credit card, right? Same as personal detail, and then add the credit card number, give it an expiry date. So let's say November 2026 CVD, and again sessions, it could be, like I said, one session or 10 sessions, but it's a one-time lump sum payment. So let's say if this person is paying you $500 for, let's say, 10 sessions. Okay, when do these sessions start? That you're gonna have to enter the first start date of the sessions as well. So let's say, these sessions are going to start from June 1st onwards. Okay, so I'm going to choose my June 1st, and then let's say I'm going to say that this person needs to complete these 10 sessions within next 3 months. Okay, so let's say by end of August. Okay, so July and August. We got to go to 2020. Okay, so we change the year, and then we go to August 2020 and August 31st. So I'm saying that this person has 3 months starting from June 1st until end of August to use his or her 10 sessions. Okay, and they're paying me $500. Again, entering the tax amount, this is the total amount they're going to be getting charged on this credit card. And let's go ahead and create it. Now, once I create this session, every time a person comes, see right here, it's showing you 10 out of 10 sessions, which means that they still have 10 remaining out of 10 sessions. So anytime a person comes and they use their barcode on their key tag to check in, this last seen data will get updated and it would minus every session. So let's say, they came the first time, they did the session, they scanned their key tag, this would say 9 out of 10 sessions. Second time they came, it would say 8 out of 10 sessions. So every time a person comes and checks in, you're going to see the numbers going to start decreasing. Now to scroll down, again here, right? In our previous videos, we had created a monthly membership, a prepaid in software. Now we're creating sessions. Okay, so again, it's showing me the first billing date as June 1st, and it's going to expire on August 31st. So if I was to go ahead and view this membership, right, you can see the billing period this time is called sessions. Okay, and we have given it 10 sessions, and here, if you see, you look at the transaction has not processed yet because we have given it the billing date of June 1st. So anytime, again, you need to see how many sessions are remaining or how many they have used, you can always come and reference to their client information page and see.